In his engaging new cookbook, From Sophia to Michelle, Chef Carlo Zarri tells stories of recipes he created for prestigious events, including the Olympic Games, and celebrities like actress Sophia Loren, former First Lady of the United States Michelle Obama, and fashion icon Giorgio Armani. Chef Carlo Zarri, welcome to Global Eat. You've written 2 books on Piedmont cooking. Piedmont Sensation was your first book, written in 2004, featuring locations and delicious recipes from the Piedmont food and wine region. You recently launched your second book, From Sophia to Michelle, which won the 2019 Roero Journalism Award in the international category. What's the inspiration behind your book? Why did you decide to write it?
You know, after I was celebrating 54 years old, and I realized that I have wonderful experience in my life, and so I decided to write all the recipes that I have created for celebrities or for special events. And one editor told me, do not make a pamphlet, just make a real book. And so I started putting down all the recipes, all the stories, and the book From Sophia to Michelle, from Sophia Loren to Michelle Obama came out.
Why recipes of the heart?
Because for one side, I have 4 recipes that I'd say these are the recipe from my heart. Because of course, my mother, one dedicated to my mother, one dedicated to my father, and the other 2 are from Sophia and to Michelle. So from Sophia Loren and Michelle Obama. And believe me, I would never thought that it would allow me to write the story, our story, personal story in the book. So I think it's a very special things for a chef to be able to say, okay, I've been cooking for these people. I normally saw them on TV or on the movies, and when you meet them and you have the privilege to prepare some food and they like it and they authorize you to use this. I mean, I think it's something that you like to share with your friends because it's something really I wish everybody can enjoy that.